well.
Right.
So, hindi lang kami din ni Alden.
Okay.
Na,
Lumipad ka pa, special flight. Narinig ko I don't know if it's true. Special flight yata.
Hindi naman special flight. Parang I just arrange everything for, para
Private plane.
Hindi naman private plane. Ano naman yun, I forgot. I can't say the airline kasi.
Okay.
Pero yun nga, parang sabi ko, since, sakto, Kat invited me and then may konting free days doon. Sabi ko, minsan lang naman, parang first time kong umattend ng birthday mo.
first
That's why.
time.
Right. Alam mo, hindi ginagawa yun ng normal friend.
Uy, yung ibang dami
Grabe ka-
pumunta.
Diba? Ay, hindi.
Madami.
Yung mag-hire ka ng plane.
Holy Week kasi yun.
Holy Week, yes. Holy Week.
Lawyer ka ba ni Alden?
Hindi. Lawyer. Di ba?
Yeah. Holy Week, Holy Week.
yun.
Diba, Alden? Parang hindi naman gagawin yun ng common friend lang. Parang gagawin niya yun if
Kung birthday mo, gagawin
Kung
ko.
birthday kasi, kung birthdays.
Katilan, it's on record.
Special day, special day.
Special day. Okay, last na lang. Sinagot niya yung how close is close Ikaw, how close? From 1 to 100.
I think 85.
Oh, wow! That's a lot.
Hindi, kasi parang right now we're able to talk about things na hindi namin napag-uusapan before.
Before.
I'd like
Personal?
Yeah, very personal. And parang yung I feel that yung trust namin sa isa't isa is there.
Okay.
And parang it's also a good thing that we're on that same page and same mindset na at least we want to make the things that we do together successful, especially this film that we're doing right now. And also parang as that goes by, syempre kasama na rin dun yung all the more that we get to know each other.
You think it would continue even after the film?
Hindi naman siya nawawala eh.
Yeah, but I don't want to, parang I don't want to preempt or jinx anything.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
right.
Basta whatever we have now, we're just very happy because, we have the freedom to do
Cherishing
anything.
the moment.
Yes, now.
Okay, last question. What can you promise your fans or followers for this? I know, Kat, there's a lot of pressure, Alden, expectations.
Yes.
Ano yung mapapangako nyo sa mga manonood ng Hello, Love Again?
Ito parang hindi, di ba laging sinasabi pinaghihirapan, pero I think ngayon ko lang, this is one of the most challenging but fulfilling projects at the moment. Sobra. Kasi we have limited time here in Calgary.
Limited staff. and crew.
Limited staff and crew. And but at the end of the day kasi when we finish the shoot, parang it's really the scenes that we have already shot. That's the reward of it. So Hello Love Again will be a story of familiar people with different life approach or different life choices. Parang ganun yung nakita ko as a whole with this project. So, we don't want to promise anything naman, but we have a good film. We have a good script.
Kat?
Sorry. Yan. There, Kathy. For me, maybe no promises din muna. Para mawala agad yung pressure sa shoulders namin. But siguro what we're doing now, it's from hard work, of course, made out of love. And we just want to create a really good film. And with this, sobrang naniniwala kami sa material. Naniniwala kami sa director namin. And naniniwala kami na yung mga tao na marirepresent namin, especially siguro yung mga OFWs namin.
Yeah.
Gusto namin i-share yung kwento nila sa lahat na makakapanood nito. So, I hope that through this film, makita nila yung slice of life ng mga tao na to, mabigyan na, ma-earn nila yung respect. Kasi grabe talaga yung mga OFWs. Hong Kong, when we did that, that's a different story. And iba din yung buhay ng mga taga-Canada. So, ibang flavor yung makikita naman nila dito. So, with the same characters, new characters as well. And sana, sana mabigay namin kung ano yung hinihingi sa amin. But we will do our best.
Yeah.
Yun muna for now. We're trying naman talaga.
Congratulations.